In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see your watch history on TikTok. So on TikTok, there isn't like a setting within the settings of the app to be able to see your watch history like you can on apps like YouTube, but they do have an option available to you that gives you that information as well. So what I'm going to do is tap the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner, and then I'm going to tap on the 3 horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. Okay, so once I'm on the settings and privacy page, I'm going to tap on privacy, which is the second option from the top. And then you have an option here that says download your data. Now the thing to keep in mind is that this data is going to take a couple of days to be able to get to it, but this is the way you do it. Tap on download your data, and then this is the data that you'll be able to get. Your profile data, your activity, which is all the videos that you have watched, and your app settings. So select the .txt file over there and then tap on request data. That's going to take a couple of days to process, and then when the file is ready, you can tap on there at the top where it says download data. Now I've already done this to save time, but here's the data for my account. All you need to do is tap on the download button, and then you'll just need to log in with your TikTok account, and what it's going to do, it's going to download a .zip file, and you can either open this zip file in your phone, or you just transfer the file to your computer and open it in things like Google Drive, and there it's going to have a list of all the videos that you have watched on TikTok, so essentially giving you your watch history. So just wait a couple of days, then it's going to say pending there at the bottom once you send the request, and then once you have the file available to you after a couple of days, tap on where it says download data at the top, and there you'll see the file available for you to download. Just log in real quick and then download the file and use it on your phone or your PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.